Making a video here, 2006 Buick LaCrosse headlight bulb replacement. Easy way to do it. I watched a lot of videos and they're not very good. They talk too much. I'm going to do this real quick and show you how easy this is. First of all, you got two bolts here. 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. You got to remove both of those. Then you have two of these things that pop out here. That one, that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just need two flatheads, really small, and a 10 millimeter socket. I put my socket on my drill so I can move along faster. There we go. Right, first, take the two 10 millimeters off. 1, 2. Get in here. Each of these little pop-out things here has a little slot for a flathead to go into. Once you lift up high enough, it will pop out. Oh, there it goes. Try not to drop that in there because you'll never find it. Here goes the second one. Gotta find the slots on each side. There's a slot on each side for you to pull it up perfectly. There it goes, right there. Take that out. Back off a little bit, get this whole area in. The next trick is to slide this up. Once you slide this up, slide this one up. Now this headlight will come out. And the reason you took these two things off here is so give you a little room for the headlight to come out a little bit. You don't want to go and pull this headlight all the way out. Reach down in here. Come here. Let me see the camera. There is a thing right here. It screws off. It looks just like this one. This one is easy to change because you got all the room in the world. This one here is really tight up against here. So that's the reason why we need to pull this headlight assembly out. So I'm going to reach in here and I'm going to turn this thing that way. Back off a little bit. Too close. Yep, right there. Oh, I'm sorry. You're going this way, towards the engine. Turn it towards the engine. Go up higher, Tony. Higher angle. So I took this cover off. Remember, you turn it this way towards the engine. You reach back in here. And this one, you're going to turn towards the engine too. And there's your bulb. It's got two little prongs on each side that's holding it in the slot here. And you take this to the store, get you another one, and reverse the order. That's it. Simple video, quick. Doesn't take 10 minutes.